Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. What I have for you in this video is a recommendation for a cooking pot. Very popular, this one. This is the Pathfinder Bushcraft 1.8 litre. It's made of stainless steel, 304 I think it is. It holds roughly about 8 cups tea or water, whatever you're cooking. It's got a bailing arm, it has 3 positions and a lid with a D-ring on it, and the handles, as you can see at the side, back wing handles, really handy. Acts like a kettle as well. I've got some water boiling now. Solid piece of kit, highly recommend it. I've been using it now for 2 years. Just get it black and do it a bit, speeds up the process of the boiling. But it's not the cheapest of pots, but definitely worth its money, and it's a recommendation for me. So it's the Pathfinder 1.8 bush pot. Okay, catch you all in the next video. See you soon.